The RamAir system is a revolutionary breakthrough in residential and commercial duct cleaning, solving the problems that exist in other duct cleaning methods while adding some exciting extras that were never before imagined. The visual aspect of the RamAir system is legendary, providing your customers with reassurance that you're getting their ducts clean. In this video, we'll show you another one of RamAir's little secrets that you may not know about. Our equipment grabs debris that's deep inside the ducting. No garbage is beyond the reach of the RamAir system. The ultra flexibility of RamAir's FlexJet hose, in cooperation with the powerful backward thrust generated through the blasting ball, allows it to easily maneuver corners and get deep into the ductwork. This powerful backward thrust of high pressure air scours the sides of the duct while directing that dust and debris toward the register opening where RamAir's HEPA-filtered cyclonic power vac grabs it and pulls it out. In the event that there is dust and debris past where the duct ball can reach, thanks to the design of the system in cooperation with the laws of physics, specifically Bernoulli's principle, debris as much as 20 feet past the ball is easily grabbed and pulled out of the duct. Here are a few views of debris commonly found in ducts being pulled out in just this manner. In addition to the sheer amount, the variety of stuff found in HVAC ducts can be surprising. Dust, dander, pollen, construction debris, and just plain old trash succumb to this powerful jet of airflow. Even larger debris like beverage cans, bottles, and garbage are no match for RamAir's blasting power. And bear in mind, these demo shots are without the aid of the air handler boosting the airflow with its 2500 CFM, nor the assistance of the cyclonic power vac. What you're seeing is just the power of the compressed air. It's no wonder the RamAir system, with its multi-thousand CFM air movement, powerful blast of compressed air, whip, and staggering 141 inches of lift vacuum, is the world's most acclaimed professional air duct cleaning system.